Let's look at more examples on motion under gravity. More examples on motion under gravity using these two examples that we have before us. So let's solve together. A stone dropped down a well, took 2 seconds to reach the water surface. Calculate the velocity with which the stone hits the water. Distance of the water surface from the top of the well. A stone dropped down a well took 2 seconds. When a body is dropped from a height, its initial velocity is taken as 0 meter per second. Since the stone is dropping from a height, its initial velocity, that is u, should be equal to 0 meter per second. Then time, it took 2 seconds. Calculate the velocity, that's final velocity. Then you recall that g, since it's under gravity, is 10 meter per square seconds. Then which of the equations of motion contains everything that we are given and what we are looking for? Then using the equation 1 of motion, which is v is equal to u plus gt. I'm using v is equal to u plus gt now, plus because the body is dropping from a height. Suppose the body is moving up against gravity, then I'll use the equation of negative motion, that is minus here. If I substitute my value, I will have v is equal to 0 plus 10t plus 10 times 2 rather. Then you have v equal to 0 plus 20. Then my v is 20 meter per second. So the velocity with which the stone is moving is 20 meter per second. Then the height, distance of the water surface from the top of the well shaft, that's the height now. Height is also question. Now, to get our height, using either equation 2 or 3, equation 2 which states that height, h, is equal to ut plus half gt squared. I can use this because I have everything that I'm given. So using h, which is the height, is equal to 0 times 2 plus half times 10 times 2 squared. So h, this will give me 0. I'm going to cancel this sign, so you have 5 times 4. Then the height is still 20 meter. So this is what they said we should do in this example. So let's look at this second example also. This second question, you can use this formula to get it, and you can do it and drop your answer in the comment section and see if it's not be the same thing with this. Using the third equations of motion, which is v squared is equal to u squared plus 2gh. Use this equation now for this second question. You arrive at this because you have v squared now. Use this one. This is 0. 2 times this, then you have this. It will still give us this 20 meter per second. You can try it. Drop your answer in the comment section and see. And then you have the second one. Now you have a ball is thrown vertically upward from the ground with initial velocity of 50 meter per second. So in this case, you have u is 50 meter per second. Now, since the body is thrown vertically upward, in this case, at the maximum height, its final velocity is what will be taken as 0 meter per second. If this marker is thrown up, the maximum height is 3 before coming down. The final velocity at that maximum height is given as 0 meter per second. So in this case, v will be 0 meter per second. Then what is the total time spent in the body? The total time means time of flight. The total time spent by the body in air means time of flight. That means time taken for the body to go up and to come down again. So we need to find the time taken for the body to go up alone, because the time taken for the body to go up will be equal to the time taken for the body to come down again. So when the body goes up and it comes down, find the time to go up, it will be equal to the time to come down, then add the two together. That's your time of flight. That's what it means by total time spent by the body in air. The time to go up and the time to come down, that's time of flight. So let's find our ordinary time first, then add it to each other. Then using equation 1 of motion, which is V is equal to U minus GT. It is minus GT here because in this case the body is going against gravity. So I'm using the equation of negative motion. The body is going upward. So I will substitute my value now. You have a 0 is equal to 50 minus 10t. Collect like time. This is minus 10t to cross to be positive. So I will have 10t is equal to 50. Then t is 50 divided by 10. Divide both sides by 10 now. T is equal to 5 seconds. Then that's the time taken for the body to reach the maximum height. This is the time taken for the body to reach the maximum height. It will still be equal to the time taken for the body to come to the ground level. So if this is the time taken for the body to reach maximum height, and it's also equal to the time taken for the body to reach the ground level, then in that case, our time of flight, t, will be equal to 5 plus 5. So my t is now 10 seconds. Then the next one is the height reached. Calculate the height reached. That's h. It's also question. The height reached. Then the height, to calculate the height reached, we can use either equation 2 or 3. Using h is equal to ut plus half, no, minus now, the body is going against gravity, minus 2g minus half gt squared. So if I substitute my value now, my height, my initial velocity is 50, my time is 5, minus half times 10 times 5 squared. So this will be h is equal to 250 minus this and this, that's minus 5 times 5 squared. So you have height is equal to 250 minus 5 times 25. So my height is now equal to 250 minus 25 times 5. That's 125. And you have h is equal to 250 minus 125. You have 125 meters. So that's the height reached by the body. So these are examples of questions on motion under gravity. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Physics with Chris and turn the notification button on for more exciting topics on physics. Thank you.